Hello everyone. Let's dive into the Memoking T02 mini sticker maker. This tiny gadget promises a world of creative possibilities right from your pocket. First impressions? It's seriously compact. We're talking about half the size of a phone and so light you'll barely notice it in your bag. Portability is a huge win here, especially for students, teachers, or anyone who likes to create on the go. The Memoking T02 uses thermal printing, which means no ink or toner is needed. That's a big plus for convenience and long-term cost savings. It connects to your iOS or Android device via Bluetooth, and the Memoking app is where all the magic happens. The initial setup is straightforward. Just make sure you connect via the app and not directly through your phone's Bluetooth settings. The app is packed with features. You can print text, pictures, tables, emojis, and even QR codes. There are hundreds of templates and graphics to choose from, making it easy to create unique stickers and labels. The OCR and scan functions are particularly interesting, allowing you to convert real-world objects and text into editable digital versions. Imagine scanning a handwritten note and instantly turning it into a digital document. The app also supports micro letters, banners, and even online web printing. The print quality is black and white at 203 dpi. It's perfectly adequate for memos, lists, and fun stickers. It's not designed for high-resolution photos, but for quick and easy printing of everyday items. It does the job well. The Memoking T02 isn't without its quirks. Some users have reported a no paper error, even when paper is loaded. The solution involves a quick reset by holding the power button for 10 seconds until the green light flashes. Also, the printed content can sometimes shift if you don't use the paper holder, so that's something to keep in mind. Despite these minor issues, the Memoking T02 is a fun and useful little gadget. It's perfect for creating shopping lists, to-do lists, study notes, or just adding a personal touch to your belongings. It would also make a great gift, especially for kids or anyone who enjoys crafting. The Memoking T02 offers a blend of portability, convenience, and creative potential that's hard to resist.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.